Last week, we gave you part of the APPA conference and exhibition in Abuja. There were so much activities that we couldn't even conclude them yet. But you did see the visit of the Vice President to the stand of the NCDMB during the exhibition. And you heard the conversation between the Acting Executive Secretary and the Vice President of Nigeria. And also, you witnessed the Minister of State Petroleum, Dr. Ibe Kachuku. We are going to give you some sessions that happen in Aba for us to know more about oil and gas, and also to know how it is being implemented in different areas of its life, so that you, our audience, can please come with us and learn more about this oil and gas industry, which we want you interested in. We'll be back after this time out. Don't go away.
The Cape 6 event, African Petroleum Practitioners, as you may recall, the Vice President of Nigeria, Professor Yemi Osinbajo, was there representing President Muhammadu Buhari. We bring you another very informative session at the conference. Representing the Acting Executive Secretary, Mr. Tunde Adelano, spoke on what the Nigerian Content Development and Monitoring Board stands for.
Oil and gas operation, we're all aware, starts with the exploration and of course ends with the downstream sector with the consumers. With the upstream sector, we are fully involved with equipment manufacturing. We look at ICT, fabrication, engineering, drilling and completions, and as well as installation within the onshore, offshore, and the swamp operations of the oil and gas business. For midstream, we work closely with agencies and corporate entities in the areas of fabrication, engineering, logistics, equipment manufacturing, vessels supply, refining, installation and maintenance. And of course, in the downstream area, we're also actively involved with product marketing, equipment manufacture, and of course, maintenance.
He spoke on activities in capacity building of the Nigerian youths by the board, the Center for Excellence, in collaboration with the Oil and Gas Association of Nigeria, OCTAN.
We're involved in training and certification of Nigerians in some specialized areas. For example, geosciences, engineering, environmental and oil spill management, and so on. So far, we've trained over 250 Nigerians on the back of this program. Outside the training, which is a formal training in the classroom, we also get them involved in hands-on activities like on-the-job training. We set out a guideline to ensure that 3% of budget and about 10% of man-hour, depending on the value and of course the nature of the project, is allocated for training of Nigerians. We are currently implementing the Youth Empowerment Program to develop entrepreneurs, and we're developing Nigerians in that area. We are working towards establishment of 5 centers of excellence for specialized training. We are working with OCTAN. OCTAN is the Oil and Gas Training Association of Nigeria, and of course Petrofac. We've developed the model, and of course we are working towards making sure that we have these 5 centers of excellence in the country where Nigerians can be trained to international standard. And of course we're also establishing 4 R&D centers of excellence to work towards domiciliation of R&D in country.
They further deliberated on ORAS, which means Asset Ownership Strategy by Nigerians, another initiative of the board.
For asset ownership, we have a strategy which we call ORAS. ORAS means Offshore Rig Acquisition Strategy, and a strategy where we can encourage Nigerians to continue to increase their equity and rigs. Of course, we have achieved a lot through that. And then we have the Marine Vessel Categorization Program. So we went into categorization, and then we have some Nigerians who have been able to acquire assets, and they are Nigerian companies, and the assets are Nigerian owned and also Nigerian flag. The idea is not to exclude others from participating in the industry, but basically to give first consideration as provided for in the law for Nigerians.
The NCDF, which means the Nigerian Content Development Fund, is another strategy.
which is a statutory provision of the law. For every contract executed in the industry,